Hey guys, what's up? Brendan from WhisperNode here. It's been a minute since we've done one of these tutorials, and since WhisperNode started validating on Injective Network a few months back, we haven't had a chance to dive into their ecosystem and their products, so we're happy today to dive into Helix App and show you guys how to trade on the decentralized DEX. So if you're not familiar with a decentralized DEX versus a centralized exchange, the difference is on a decentralized exchange, it's your keys, your crypto. So at all times, you are maintaining possession and control of your crypto. Whereas if you're trading on a centralized exchange, you're essentially sending your crypto to that centralized exchange who controls the keys to that wallet, and you're hoping that you get it back when you withdraw them. You might not for a variety of reasons, including regulations. The exchange has financial problems and gets shut down, and then you can kiss your money goodbye. So always preferable to use DEXs when you can, in my opinion, and live by that motto, your keys, your crypto. So let's jump in. I'm over here at helixapp.com, and what we're going to do is, if I take a look at Helix App, I'm going to take a look at the markets on here. And most of the pairs are with USDT. So I'm going to assume you guys have used Metamask. You might be Ethereum users. So I've got my Metamask wallet here hooked up. And I've got $100 of USDT. And what I'm going to show you guys how to do is first use Helix App using the Metamask injective wallet that's generated. And then in the second part, what I'll do is show you guys how to hook your Keplr wallet, which is a Cosmos SDK native wallet, into Helix App and use that, because there's probably a lot of Cosmos users that want to use Injective as well, and it gets a little more complicated when you're using the Keplr wallet. So let's dive in and do the MetaMask version first. So I'm going to connect my wallet here, confirm according to the terms and conditions. I am not in one of the restricted territories. So I'm going to connect my MetaMask wallet there. And boom, you can see it connected to my MetaMask. Now, to get my USDT into Helix App and allow me to trade, either through swaps or the spot markets, I'm going to have to use the Injective bridge, and that's located at hub.injective.network/bridge. So I'm going to go over there, and I'm going to connect my wallet there as well. I'm going to choose Ethereum and bridge to Injective. So I'm going to again choose my MetaMask wallet, and it should auto-populate my Injective wallet as well. All right, and I am going to bridge USDT, so I'm going to choose that from the drop down there. I'm going to do half of it because, again, I'm going to do a Keplr tutorial after this. So first thing I'm going to do is set an allowance, and that should make my MetaMask wallet pop up and make me approve that transaction to set an allowance for transfer. So I'm going to do, I'll do $60 just so it can cover that $50 that I'm transferring, and approve that. You can see there's a $2 gas fee with that. So I guess another caveat is make sure you have some Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet for doing all these transactions. All right, so token allowance was set successfully. So now I can go ahead and transfer that USDT to the Injective network. And now I'll get another pop-up with that transaction. You can see I'm getting charged a $4 gas fee, and I'll confirm that. All right, so then I'm getting a pop-up here with tracking the transaction. First, it's going to have to process that transaction on the Ethereum network, which may take a few minutes. I can view that transaction on Etherscan as it's processing. You can see here, actually, that went pretty quick. So That was a success on the Ethereum network, and then what it has to do is confirm that transaction on the Ethereum network and process it on the Injective network. So that's the next step here. So we'll wait a minute for that. All right, now you can see it is confirming on the Injective network, which is pretty lightning fast. So this should happen pretty quickly. All right, and now that transaction has completed, so I can close out of here. And let's go back to the Helix app page, and I'm going to refresh that. All right, so I've checked if my USDT is here, but one thing I'm noticing is I've used Helix app before with a different MetaMask wallet. And the problem is it was not the wallet that I bridged the USDT to. And I couldn't figure out at first how to disconnect that wallet and connect the one that actually I was using for this tutorial. So to do that, you're going to click on your MetaMask and find the wallet that was connected, and then click this little button in the upper right here, the globe, and disconnect that account. So I'm gonna click disconnect here, and exit, and then I'm gonna disconnect it there, and then I'm gonna hit connect again on the Helix site, confirm again that I'm not in a blocked territory, click MetaMask, and then I'm gonna get the pop-up this time where I can connect a different wallet. So this time I'll choose the actual wallet I used on the bridge, click next, click connect, and now I have the right wallet attached here, and I'm gonna go back to that account page. And now you can see that that $50 in USDT is in my account. So that's great. And now I should be able to make trades on the spot exchange here. There's a decentralized order book on Helix, which is amazing. One of the few decentralized exchanges out there that actually has an order book where you can submit limit orders and have them filled. So let's just test this out and make sure that I can buy. So let's buy some Injective here. Looks like there's some for sale at $7.65. So I'll put in a buy order for 1. And let's click buy. And you can see it's going to pop up with my MetaMask wallet. I'm going to sign that. And my order was placed, and since it was there was a sell order there, you can see that that subtracted 1 Injective token, and I should have that 1 Injective token now available in my balance. You can see that the USDT was subtracted in my balance. So awesome. The spot exchange worked. That transfer MetaMask to MetaMask wallet worked. So for part 2 of this, we're going to try a transaction going from Ethereum using MetaMask to a Keplr wallet hooked up into Helix app. And if you don't need to see that part of the tutorial, feel free to skip that. All right. So I'm going to disconnect that wallet on Helix, pretend that never happened, pretend I never bridged from MetaMask, and this time I'm going to bridge to my Keplr wallet. So to do that, you can see here on the bridge page, I'm gonna refresh. I'm gonna disconnect my MetaMask wallet actually first. So I'm gonna connect here. I'm gonna actually on the bridge connect using Keplr. So now that's gonna bring in my Keplr wallet my Injective Keplr wallet that I'm using for this tutorial. And you can see that unlike when I connected my MetaMask, it didn't populate both fields right away. It just populated the Injective field with my Keplr wallet. So I can go ahead and on the Ethereum side now, connect my MetaMask wallet. All right, so actually what I'm noticing is there's sort of a bug in the bridge, or maybe it was by design, but if you are using your Keplr wallet and you're trying to bridge from Ethereum, a MetaMask wallet, to a Keplr wallet, you're not going to want to connect your Keplr wallet right away on the bridge side. The reason being is this top Ethereum address, it's going to auto-generate an Ethereum ERC20 address based on your Keplr wallet, and it's not going to let you edit that, and it's not going to connect to the correct wallet in MetaMask if you're not using that generated wallet. So that's a problem I ran into. It was a little bit tricky to figure out. Had to go in the Discord and ask support. So I'm going to disconnect my Keplr wallet, disconnect my MetaMask wallet, and kind of start that over. So again, I'm going from MetaMask to Keplr. What I'm going to do is I'm going to connect my MetaMask wallet, the correct one. And that is the correct one. It ends in 9DEA. I have 50 USDT in there. And then it's going to auto-generate my Injective wallet here based on that ERC20 address. That is not the one I want because I'm actually using Keplr. So I'm going to click Edit Address. And I'm going to go into Keplr, and I'm going to copy my Injective wallet here. And then I'm going to paste it in. I'm going to paste it in that way. And now I can bridge from MetaMask to the correct Injective wallet in MetaMask. So I'm going to bridge that 50 USDT, and I'm going to go through that same set of prompts I did when I was going from MetaMask to MetaMask. So that's going to pop up, ask me to set an allowance. All right. Looks like that was successful, but that button popped up again. All right, so I need to set a spending cap, so we'll just do 60 so I can use all of that USDT. Approve that transaction. And now I can initiate the transfer transaction. Pay about a $5 gas fee. And now you can see the transfer tracking screen pop up. First, it's going to confirm on the Ethereum network. I think it does 12 confirmations or something like that. And then once it's confirmed on the Ethereum network, it will confirm on the Injective side and will be complete. So we'll just wait for that to happen for a second. All right, and it looks like that USDT did arrive. If I go back to that tracking page, it looks like it's just kind of stuck there. So don't necessarily wait that timer out. It could be that the funds have arrived. You can see they're in my wallet on the Helix app page. So now I should be able to go and trade spot or swap. In the MetaMask to MetaMask tutorial, I used that USDT to buy some Injective tokens on the spot exchange. So this time let's see what we got with the new swap page on Helix app. So this is some new functionality that they've added in here. All right, and you can see here on the swap page, rather than set a limit order or a market order on that spot exchange, I can just straight up swap my USDT for Injective tokens, Guild, Ethereum, Somalia, Cosmos, Ratmatic, or USDC coins. So those are your options on the swap page. I assume, as that product gets more mature, further along in development, there will be more tokens that you can swap. But this is a good start. So I can swap my USDT. Let's do one Injective token here, and I will click swap. You can see there's only a 1 cent fee here, 1.5 cents, and sorry, looks like I got to do that pretty quickly or else the rate expires. So click that before the timer expires, and then I'll get a pop-up on my Keplr wallet, and I can approve that transaction there. And you can see that my balance then quickly updated with that one Injective. If I want to view that transaction there, that'll take me to the Injective Explorer, and you can see that that was a success. So I'll go back to the swap page, and yeah, that pretty much concludes the tutorial today, guys. Just wanted to run through Helix App really quickly. Again, decentralized exchange that has limit orders, has a spot exchange. Pretty unique, pretty cool. After some initial struggles with the wallet connectivity, figured that out, and hope you guys enjoyed showing how to transfer from Metamask to Metamask and Metamask to Keplr wallet and use Helix app. So thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy.